I'm back, guys. Okay. I filled up those clips. Or magazines, whatever fancy word you want to call them. I'm gonna find a song to listen to. Let's listen to some Kush. Okay, explain to you. 35 round drum. Or scope. Really doesn't do squat. Another stock. What's cool about this is you can your magazines are right in the back of the stock. And then you also have your little lantern hook. You can carry a little pouch of bullets, which you can get pouches at your fine retailers like Walmart. So I'll load this gun up and you'll see. You load magazine. And watch. See, that loads your bullets right there. Shoot. And you come back. Guys, I think there's someone in my room. Show your face. Show your face! There's a ghost in my room, guys. He's from World War II. He has a gas mask. Actually, World War I. World War I soldier, show your face. We would like to see you. He's really friendly, guys, don't worry. World War I soldier, show your face. Do not be afraid. We're not afraid of the gas mask. Show yourself. It's alright, little buddy. Come attack me. Throw a brick.
Is it even open? Is this open it?
Okay, so anyway, yeah, that's what you do, is you flip that little thing over. Okay, so anyway, you send